Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Apne Ustad. Today we are going to solve word problem of quadratic equation exercise 2.6. First example. Here we are going to solve the word problems which we first of all the given words problem we have to convert in the equation and then we have to solve the quadratic equation and we will get the answer. Okay, now let's start. Let's see the first example given to you in exercise 2.6. First example, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Pragati is a name of girl. Okay, 2 years ago her age and after 3 years her age, product is 84. Now find her present age. We have to find the present age of Pragati. Okay, to clear this concept, we have to see the concept we have to clear here, that if we want the age before 2 years or before 3 years, we have to subtract that 2 or 3, and if we want the age after 2 years or after 3 years, then we have to add. This is the concept. Okay, now come to this example. The same concept we are going to use. Okay, the same concept. Here, look here. Find her present age. Then we have to find out her present age. Okay, let's suppose that present age of Pragati is equal to x years, that is x. Okay, then Pragati's age 2 years ago. 2 years ago, that means equal to x minus 2, because ago is there, so we have to subtract x minus 2. Similarly, Pragati's age after 3 years, is equal to x. Here after is there, so we have to add x plus 3. In this way, we have find out present age is x, then 2 years ago her age was x minus 2, and after 3 years her age will be x plus 3. In this way, we have get these 3 points. Now come back to the example. What is given here? What is the relation between these 2 points here? Given that product is 84, their product is 84. Therefore, by given condition, x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now multiply both these bracket. Okay, as usually we are going to multiply first bracket by second bracket. In this way, the first number x into second bracket x plus 3 minus 2 into second bracket x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now multiply x by both the terms. X into x is x square plus 3 into x is 3x minus 2 into x is 2x. Plus minus minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 84 as it is. Now let's see x square. Now here 3x minus 2x, that means we get plus 1x. 1 we have to write here 1, or if we can also write here, or 1 is already present here. So we are going to write here 1 minus 6 is equal to 84. Now for the next step, here x square plus 1x minus 6 is equal to 84. Now here we are going to take 84 to the left side. X square plus 1x minus 6, then 84 come to the left side, it become minus 84 is equal to 0. Then x square plus 1x, now minus 6 minus 84, that is minus minus we have to do addition, and we have to give the sign of negative number, bigger number, that is minus. So here 84 plus 6 is 90 and the bigger number is 84, sign is minus. So here minus 90 is equal to 0. Now look here, in this way we have get the quadratic equation x square plus 1x minus 90. Now we are going to solve this quadratic equation by our regular factorization method. Now here, look here, the product number is minus 90 and the addition number is 1 here, 1 is there. So we have to find out the factors of 90 with minus sign. So one pair is coming in my mind, that is 10 nines are 90, and as we have to find here plus 1, so give minus to the smaller number, then we will get 10 minus 9 is 1. In this way the two numbers is 10 and minus 9, and we have to adjust it in the middle term, x square plus 10x, okay, plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the common factors between first term and second term, and from third term and the fourth term. Okay, now look here, x square and x is there, so x is common, remain here x plus and 10 is here. Similarly, look to the third term and the fourth term. Here minus is common because minus is present here also and here also, so minus is present here. Minus will become common. Now here it is 9 and 90. We know that the factors of 90 is 10 into 9. So 9 is common in between both the terms. So 9 is common here. Now what is remain here? X, and as minus is taken common, here remain plus, and 9 tens are 90, so 10 will be here, is equal to 0. Now look one more time, here first term is up to here and second term is up to here, and x plus 10 and x plus 10. This bracket is common in both the terms. So it is x plus 10 is common. Now remain x minus 9, the terms or the numbers which are not common came in the next bracket. So if the both product of two bracket is 0, that means first bracket is 0, or the second bracket means x minus 9 is 0. So therefore here x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. Now here we have got the two value of x, but look here, we have supposed that the x is present age of Pragati. Present age of Pragati is x. For that the age will not be in negative. So x is equal to minus 10 is not possible. So it is x not equal to minus 10, as x is age of Pragati. Okay. Now therefore what will happen here, that x is equal to 9 will be our answer, and that is we have to write the final answer, that present age of प्रगति is 9 years. 9 year. In this way, we have completed our first example. Hope you understand. Okay.